Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install DaVinci Resolve on Mac for color grading, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install DaVinci Resolve on your Mac for color grading, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Blackmagic Design website. Once on the site, look for the Products section. Find DaVinci Resolve in the list and click on it. You will be taken to the DaVinci Resolve product page. Here, locate the download button for Mac. Click on the download button, and it will direct you to the downloads page. Choose the free version if you are a beginner. Scroll down and confirm your choice by clicking the download link again. The installation file will start downloading to your Mac. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Look for the DaVinci Resolve installer file, which should be a .dmg file. Double-click the .dmg file to mount the installer. A new window will open, displaying the DaVinci Resolve icon. Drag the DaVinci Resolve icon into your Applications folder. This will begin the installation process. Once the application is copied, you can eject the installer by right-clicking its icon and selecting Eject. Now, navigate to your Applications folder. Find DaVinci Resolve and double-click to open the application. The first time you open it, you may receive a security warning. If prompted, go to System Preferences and select Security and Privacy. In the General tab, click Open Anyway for DaVinci Resolve. After this, the application should launch successfully. Follow the initial setup instructions that appear on your screen. You are now ready to start exploring color grading in DaVinci Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.